Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Discord and navigate to the server you want notifications for. Click the server name to open the drop-down menu. Choose Server Settings and then Notifications to access server notification controls. Set your global notification override to only mentions or all messages depending on your preference. You can also mute the server for a set time if you want silence. Turn on Mobile Push Notifications in User Settings to receive alerts on your phone when messages arrive. Right-click any text channel to open channel notification settings quickly. Choose Override to change the channel behavior separately from the server default. Select Mentions Only, All Messages, or Mute for that specific channel and save. For targeted alerts, open Server Notification Settings and add keyword notifications to watch for specific words. Keywords trigger a push or desktop alert when someone uses them in chat. Adjust per channel sounds and suppress at everyone, and adhere to reduce noise while keeping key alerts. Control mentions by adjusting role and member mentions inside server settings to limit who can ping you. If you still miss alerts, check your Do Not Disturb status on Discord and enable or disable System Focus Assist accordingly. Verify notification permissions on mobile and desktop so Discord can show banners and play sounds. On phones, disable battery optimization or background restrictions for Discord to ensure push notifications arrive. Finally, test with a trusted friend in a muted channel to confirm your Notify Me settings work properly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.